The first thing you're going to want to do is install your artist's Spotify app. That's the blue icon on the right. We're going to click on that. And you got to log in, and then it'll show you what your latest song is. And so this is a song we released just under a week ago. It's got 19,000 streams. Shows you how many people are listening. Gives you your stats for the last 7 days. Gives you your top songs, your top playlists. One of the really cool things here is Get Louder. Now this is Spotify's promotion marquee, so you can get sponsored and have like a banner. Very, very expensive. I more recommend just doing Spotify ads using the ad studio. It also shows you, your latest song, and your song has been pitched to our editors, and this song comes out in about a week. It's always important to pitch every single song you release on Spotify. You've got to give them at least 7 days, okay? So if you got to release your song 7 days or plus ahead of schedule, so it gives it time to get in the system, then you can log into your artist.spotify account on your desktop, not on the phone, because I'm on my phone right now, and you pitch it, okay? Learn from your latest release. Check our release guide about assessing your progress, reflect on your performance goals, and set new goals. I'm not going to get into that right now, but it gives you a whole bunch of other tips. But if you click on the bottom here, on the left, it shows you your music and your streams for the last 7 days, your streams for the last 38 days, and it gives you your best songs, okay? And you can scroll and see. It was interesting. I was looking at one of my best songs, and I realized I didn't have a canvas set up for it. I can't remember which one it was, if this one has the canvas or not. Okay, so this has got the canvas. But what's really important is if I look at all my top songs, I should make sure that I've got a canvas set up for them if I don't, okay? And install that, like this song 4321 doesn't have a canvas, so I should probably create a canvas for that and put that in there, okay? And then the next thing you want to click on is this guy right here. This is your audience. So this gives you more data, your listeners, your streams, your followers, which is really important, okay? And you can get all kinds of data to see where most of your streams are coming from. And I can see in the last 28 days that the majority of my streams have come from listeners, playlists, and library. Okay, not even that many from the editorial playlist. It'll give me my gender and all kinds of information, okay, and where my top countries are, so if I want to tour there. So there's so much really great information inside. Top cities, okay, not just countries, but cities, all right? So when this COVID junk is over, hey, I need to plan a show in Chicago and Dallas and promote it. Let's click on this last one here. And again, this just gives you the artist pick tour, not now. This is where you can edit your image, edit your profile a little bit more, edit your artist pick. So it allows you to do a lot of stuff right inside here, all right, which is really, really powerful. So I'm really glad that they've also got the canvas for everybody now. And you can see all your songs and everything else that you want to do. Look, singles, only you can see this. These are the songs that are coming out. So again, you can only pitch one song at a time. I've pitched this song to editorial playlists, right? And it comes out on Jan 29th. As soon as that has been released, then I can pitch my next song to the editorial playlist, which I'll do right away, but you can only pitch one song at a time. Hey music artist, it looks like you haven't downloaded a copy of my book Spotify Profits yet, showing you how I got 12.2 million streams and 100,000 followers on Spotify without a record label and without having to go on tour anymore. This thing reads like a magazine. It's going to show you how to hack that Spotify algorithm, how to release your songs in order so that you get the best chance of getting on those editorial playlists, how I collaborate with other artists, but most importantly, how to build that email list so that you can monetize your music. This will work for any genre, works wherever you live, does not matter. We live in a global singles economy, and now is your time to grow your Spotify following. Click the link in this video to download a copy today.